to say here what you have done, restoring relations with Israel and Turkey.
İnşallah. Çok güzel bir sözünüzde.
And no doubt that by doing it, you put your stone into the coming into existence third Jerusalem for the whole mankind. And I also wanted to express you our will in the name of our community and the Jewish people that you our deepest respect and appreciation for the hundreds of years when Jews in this country better than any other place in Europe, and we want to give you this blessing from Jerusalem. People have done for hundreds of years. Thank you.
Hazreti Musa'ya sadakat gösterdiniz. Hazreti İbrahim'e sadakat gösterdiniz. Sizleri çok seviyoruz.
And we will do our best that the world, including Russia and the United States, will appreciate your message of peace in this terrible desert of hatred and terrorism around. And maybe the whole region not stay non-stable, but you for today is that during this time those who are faithful and will prevail. We say in Hebrew, there is a prophecy that Tzaddik be'emunato, Habakkuk, the prophet Habakkuk said, and the righteous one will live in his faith. He will not just live in faith, but he will bring the world and all around him today important will vanish. And this will prevail for future generations. And this is what you are doing here, being the most stable movement here. You are higher and higher. This will be a an instrument to voice we can. Thank you very much.